You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to fix missing contacts on your Android phone. First, check if your contacts are hidden. Open the Contacts app, tap the three-line menu, and see if a filter like All Contacts is selected. If set to Phone Only, it shows only device contacts. Change it to All Contacts. Next, ensure contacts are syncing. Go to Settings, Accounts, select your Google account, and ensure the Contacts Sync toggle is on. Tap Sync now. If contacts are stored on the SIM card, open Contacts, tap Menu, Manage Contacts, then Import or Export, and select Import from SIM card. Clear the Contacts app. Cache and data by going to Settings, Apps, Contacts, Storage, then tapping Clear Cache. If that fails, tap Clear Data. This resets the app but does not delete contacts synced to Google. If contacts are still missing, check the Google Contacts website on a computer to see if they exist online. If they do, a device sync issue is likely. Remove and re-add your Google account in Settings, Accounts, Remove Account, then add it back and sync as a last resort. Restore contacts from a backup if you have one. Ensure autosync is always on to prevent future loss. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.